your guide to unlocking the full potential of your mental abilities. I'm Leroy Glover, and in this first episode titled Harnessing Cognitive Energy, we're going to explore how to direct and optimize your mental resources for peak performance and skill development. Now, our minds are powerhouses of energy and potential, and today we'll delve into the art of focusing this cognitive energy to enhance a specific mental ability or skill. Let's start by understanding what cognitive energy is and how it can be channeled effectively. It's about more than just concentration. It's about harnessing the full capacity of your thought process, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Now let's delve deeper into the concept of cognitive energy and how it can be effectively harnessed for personal and professional growth. Let's look at understanding cognitive energy. Cognitive energy can be described as the mental resource or fuel that powers our thinking, learning, and problem-solving capabilities. It's a combination of our intentional resources, mental stamina, and the overall capacity to process information and make decisions. This energy is infinite and can be depleted or replenished based on various factors like rest, nutrition, stress, and mental engagement. Let's look at beyond concentration. While concentration, the ability to focus on a specific task or thought without distraction, is significant impact of cognitive energy. Harnessing cognitive energy encompasses much more. It involves utilizing the extra spectrum of mental faculties to achieve a state of optimum mental performance. Now let's look at harnessing thought process. Effective harnessing of cognitive energy involves optimizing thought processes, which includes analytical thinking, reasoning, and the ability to synthesize information. It's about being able to think clearly, process information efficiently, and make rational decisions. Let's look at leveraging creativity. Now, cognitive energy is also closely linked to creativity. The ability to generate new ideas, find innovative solutions to problems, and think outside the box. And harnessing cognitive energy for creativity involves creating conditions that foster imagination, imaginative thinking, and allowing the mind the freedom to explore and experiment. Now let's look at enhancing problem-solving abilities. Problem-solving is an essential aspect of cognitive energy. It involves not just identifying and understanding problems, but also devising and implementing effective solutions. Harnessing cognitive energy for problem solving means developing a systematic approach to tackle issues, considering various perspectives and applying logical and creative thinking. Let's look at practical ways to channel cognitive energy. Now, mindful practices, techniques like meditation and mindfulness can help in focusing and conserving cognitive energy. Balanced lifestyles, adequate rest, proper nutrition, and physical activities are crucial in maintaining high levels of cognitive energy. Let's look at mental challenges. Now, engaging in activities that challenge the mind like puzzles, strategic games, or learning new skills can help in sharpening cognitive abilities. Creative outlets. Pursuing creative hobbies or activities can stimulate the brain's creative centers, contributing to enhanced cognitive energies. Now let's look at managing cognitive load. It's also important to and manage cognitive load effectively. This means organizing and prioritizing tasks to avoid mental overload and allowing time to rest and mental recovery. In harnessing cognitive energy is about effectively utilizing and managing the mind's capacity for thought, creativity, and problem solving. It's a holistic approach that involves not just focusing attention, but also nurturing and preserving the full range of mental faculties through mindful practices, lifestyle changes, choices, mental challenges, and creative pursuits. By doing so, individuals can optimize their cognitive abilities for enhanced personal and professional performance. Let's look at some practical approaches. Mindful mapping. This technique allows you to visualize, organize your thoughts, and focus your mental energies more effectively. It's a tool to clarify your goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Practical exercise: create a mind map centered on a skill or ability you want to develop. Branch out with steps, resources, and actions needed to enhance the skill. Consistently channeling cognitive energy requires discipline and practice. It's about developing a mental routine that prioritizes your focus area. Now, book recommendations. Dive into The Organized Mind. Thinking straight in the Age of Information Overload by Daniel Levitin for insights into managing and optimizing mental energy. Let's look at some app suggestions. Forest is an exciting app to keep you focused and prevent distractions while you work on harnessing your cognitive energy. Now, let's add a YouTube video. Check out 5 ways to improve your cognitive skills. A helpful video that provides additional tips and exercises for cognitive development. As we wrap up episode 1, remember that mastering your mind starts with understanding and directing your cognitive energy. Tune in to next time to episode 2, where we'll dive into the power of habitual focus. Until then, keep channeling your mental energies towards your aspirations.